Where does it stop? Are you shut your mouth, Mr. Trump? Mr. Trump, have to that man.